One of the reasons I like wood pellet grills is because wood pellet grills are a set and forget it, just walk away. We completely put the grill together, and the beauty is that it didn't take long. It took under an hour. All right, guys, the Z Grills is an 8-in-1 grill. It barbecues, it smokes, it sears, it braises, it bakes, roasts, and char grills. And today we're smoking our meat. The hopper holds an entire bag of pellets. I love that. That's how all hoppers should be. So you don't have to keep your bags around. You can just pour it right in and leave it. Or you can take it out and put another flavor in. If you've never worked with wood pellets, the beauty is it's the flavor and the heat. This happens to be oak. So we'll have an oak flavor in our meat. Are you guys ready? All right, so let's start barbecuing the pulled pork. We're gonna do a couple racks of ribs, I think, too. Not sure exactly what we're gonna do. The beauty is it loads in all the pellets. It feeds pellets in as it needs to go to 350. So while it's out there cooking at 350 degrees all by itself, I want to take a few minutes with you and tell you if you pre-order, you get a 5-year warranty. 5 years, you can ask for your money back. It's a money back guarantee. Eat our money guarantee. They totally got you covered here. There's no reason you should not pre-order the Z Grills. Let's take a sneak peek of that pulled pork. There's so much room on this grill, we're gonna make use of it. We're gonna need to put on 3 racks of ribs. All right, it's time to check and see how good it smoked this pork butt. Looks gorgeous. Pulled pork the way pulled pork should be. Look at that. You should be able to pull it with a fork. That's why it's called pulled pork. Beautiful Z Grills. As good as anybody. If you order right now, you do a pre-order of a Z Grill, then you're gonna get the cover for free, and I know that's important. Everybody complains that they never get a cover. Well, now you get a cover. All right, let's try it out. I know what we're having for dinner. It's called Z Grills. It's delicious. Ribs are almost ready. I'm going to check on those right now. And I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Take a peek at these. Oh, those look amazing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we had to take a sneak peek at the ribs and show you how good those look. Those look awesome.